Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I have a very quick but epic recipe idea for you. This is for a vegan croissant breakfast sandwich. I had meant to share this in time for Valentine's Day in case any of you wanted to make your loved one a special breakfast in bed or something like that. It's a little late, but of course good for any time of year, and I've been making it and enjoying it a lot this past week, so I hope that you like it too.
This time around, I made homemade croissants. I have a recipe up on my blog and also a tutorial on my channel, which I'll link down below. But if you don't want to go to all that effort, you can also use canned crescent dough. Most of them are accidentally vegan, or you can just use a different kind of bread. We're just revisiting my tofu egg patty from my previous breakfast sandwich video. For this, combine a few tablespoons chickpea flour, nutritional yeast, onion, and garlic powder. An optional pinch of turmeric for color, black salt to add an eggy flavor, and some fresh ground black pepper. Then cut some firm or extra firm tofu into 1/4 inch thick slices. Go with whatever shape fits your bread. You don't need to press your tofu because the extra liquid will help the chickpea mixture stick to it. Coat the tofu generously on all sides, and in the meantime, preheat a non-stick skillet to just a bit higher than medium heat. Optionally, but highly recommended, melt a few teaspoons vegan butter in your skillet. Then fry your tofu patties for a few minutes per side till they start to look golden brown. If you want to add some vegan bacon or ham, fry that alongside your tofu. I'm using benevolent bacon today. It's one of my favorite bacon substitutes along with tempeh bacon. When your tofu's almost done, you can lower the heat and top it with your favorite vegan cheese. I'm using the daiya Swiss-style slices today for the first time. I really like them. Then cover and allow the steam to melt the cheese. Should only take a minute or so. While the cheese is melting, slice your croissant in half. You may want to warm it up slightly in the oven, and then prep any of your favorite veggies. So I'm slicing up some fresh tomato for this. Then onto my croissant goes my tofu patty, my vegan bacon, some fresh tomato, and to top it all off, I'm fanning some avocado out over the top to make this the ultimate vegan breakfast sandwich.
We gotta do a taste test for this one, obviously. This is like massive. It's bigger than my head, so I'm gonna do the sandwich squish. So this is actually the day after I filmed all the footage that you just saw. So this is a different breakfast sandwich, and in this one, instead of using the benevolent bacon, I used a meatless sausage patty, which is really good. So I think this sandwich might actually be better than yesterday's. Oh my god, so good. These are the breakfast patties that I'm using. I got them at King Soopers. I think it's like, it might be the Kroger brand, like organic brand. If you can find these near you, I definitely recommend them. They have such good flavor and texture. They taste exactly like real breakfast sausage, in my opinion. Obviously with the croissants and the fake meat and the vegan cheese on there, it's not healthy by any stretch of the imagination, but it's so good. Worth trying, maybe for a special occasion. I've really been enjoying it. Luckily, I gave away most of my croissants. Otherwise, I'd be eating this 12 days in a row. I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you try it out or any variation on it, make sure to tag me on Instagram, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.